Good afternoon, dear students. So, today we are starting our fourth chapter, that is physical education and sports for differently abled. As you know, differently abled means children with special needs or the person who are having some physical or mental problem. I will just give you the introduction first. In the modern world, every differently abled individual has the right to participate in the program of physical education and sports. Sports for differently abled are played and individuals with a disability, including physical, cognitive, and intellectual disability. Most of the sports for differently abled are just modified form of normal existing sports in order to meet the need of individuals with certain disability, and thus they are usually referred to as adapted sports. Nowadays, sports for differently abled individuals are organized officially. These are called organized sports for the sportsperson with disability, which is generally divided into three main disabilities. So, nowadays, many programs were organized, many sports programs were organized for differently abled people or students or children, we can say. So, first of all, we will talk about the aim and objective of adapt. First topic is aims and objectives of adapted physical education. To identify the disabled children, so many programs have been conducted by the government. Some of there are corrective physical education, remedial physical education, physical therapy, corrective therapy, development physical education, and individual physical education. These are the programs by which we can identify or we can conduct or identify the disabled children. Adapted physical education is a modified program of games, sports, and other development activities that is suited to the interest, capacities, and limitations of students and individual with special needs. It is created for students with special need so they can also enjoy the experience of sports and recreation. Every school has students who are differently abled and acquire and require special service to be able to realize their maximum potential. So, now we are talking about objectives. Through medical checkup, the program based on interest and capacity of the student, easy environment, proper equipment should be provided, teaching strategies based on student level, and rules should be easy. So these are the objectives of adapted physical education. Now we are talking about integrated physical education. Concept and principles under this, one must have the knowledge of different subtopics and other utility. So that the students could be trained properly. The knowledge of integrated physical education will promote the fitness and willingness of the individual. It will help in deciding high quality program. So this is all about integrated physical education in which student could trained properly, and the knowledge of integrated physical education will promote the fitness and willingness of an individual, and it is also helps in designing high quality program. Next is adaptive physical education concept and principles. There are many children who suffer from various type of disabilities like mental retardation, deafness, blindness, speech impairment, etc. For such children, and special program may be organized so that physical, musical, cognitive, social and emotional abilities can be developed in them. Now we are talking about principles. For successful implementation of adapted physical education, certain principles may be kept in mind, such as medical examination, interest and capacity of the student, appropriate equipment, proper environment, specific instructional strategies, etc. So, this is all about the aims, objectives, integrated physical education, adaptive physical education, and principles of adaptive physical education. Now we are talking about Special Olympic Bharat. This organization prepares the progress with physical and mental disability for Special Olympic at national level. They are trained to participate in 24 single and team games by the Sports Authority of India, SAI. This organization was established in 2009. This organization was established in 2001 as per the Act of 1982. We are talking about Special Olympic Bharat. Now we are discuss about the principles of adapted physical education. First is medical examination. It is very important for the success of program related to adapted physical education. Otherwise, it will be difficult to find out what kind of disability the student is suffering from. Therefore, it is imperative to conduct medical examination of the students. Next is programs according to the interest of the student. Programs should be made keeping in mind the interest, capacity, and previous experience of the student. The teacher should also have deep knowledge about it. Then only they can make any successful program. Next, equipment should be appropriate. Students should be provided with equipment as per disability concerned. For example, students suffering from visual impairment should be given a ball with bell so that they may catch the ball as it rolls because of the sound. Thus, such students can make out the direction and distance of the ball. In blind cricket also, you can see there is a bell inside the ball. With the sound of the bell, the batsman could be able to understand the direction in which from which direction the ball has come, and they will hit the ball. And accordingly, for the um, fielders also, they will reach the ball with the help of the sound which has come from the ball only, because of the bells. So it is a proper appropriate example of equipment. Equipment should be according to the disability. Next is proper environment. The play area also should be limited, because of the limited speed capacity of the children. For example, speech impairment should be given rest in between the games. The play area should be limited to top smaller area. The area should be limited so that they cannot put their extra effort, like if you know there is a 100 yard of football field. If you are keeping that 100 yard for differently abled children or players, so they won't be able to reach, because their capacity is not up to the level of the normal individual. So we can take care of this thing, that the environment, the play area should be shrinked or should be minimized. Next is modification of rules. Rules and regulation of the game and sports should be modified depending on the specific needs of students. In order to learn new skills, they may be given extra time, extra efforts, extra rest, and extra marks in place of standard marks. Example, if you are giving 1 mark for any answer, so for them you can give 2 marks instead of 1 marks. Thus they might be given the opportunity for all round development. So they will be motivated by this. So we should maintain the program. We should plan the program according to the students, according to the disability of the individual. Now, Paralympics. This is similar to Olympic Games for disabled sports person. In 1960, first time it was organized in Rome. The headquarter of International Paralympic is situated at Bonn, Germany. The International Paralympic is responsible for organizing summer and winter Olympic Games. At present, it comprises of 176 national Paralympic committees. Now, Deaf Olympics. The Deaf Olympics are games for deaf athletes. Previously, they were called the International Games for the Deaf. So, the previous name of Deaf Olympic was International Games for the Deaf. These games are organized by International Committee of Sports for the Deaf. Since the first event, and they are sanctioned by International Olympic Committee, the Deaf Olympic cannot be guided by sounds. For example, the starter gun, bullhorn commands, or referee whistle. The Deaf Olympics were held in Paris in 1924 and were also the first ever international sporting events for athletes with disability. The Deaf Olympic Winter Olympic was added in 1949. Winter Olympics 49. The games begin as a small gathering of 148 athletes. Now, these games are grown into a global movement. To qualify for the games, athletes must have a hearing loss of at least 55 dB in their better ear. Hearing aids, cochlear implant, and the leke are not allowed to be used in competition. Deaf Olympics cannot be guided by sound, so alternative methods are used to address the athletes. For example, the football referee wave a flag instead of blowing a whistle. On the track, races are started by using a light instead of using a starting pistol. Now we are talking about some host cities and which year they have hosted. In August 2013, Sofia, Bulgaria. The host city was Sofia, Bulgaria in the year August 2013. Samsun, Turkey. The host city was Samsun, Turkey, and the year was July 2017. Kenneth Masyank, Russia, Torino, Italy, 2019. So these are the venues and cities where the Summer Olympics or Deaf Olympics or Para Olympics were organized. And now we are talking about the concept and need of integrated physical education. What do you mean by integrated physical education? Integrated physical education using physical activities and games to teach others subject. This is a new concept in the field of physical education. Research and studies have shown that integrating two or more subjects at areas can stimulate the interest of student and hence promote the learning of each subject. Teachers are increasing conducting activities both side or outside the classroom to teach various concepts of science, social science, and mathematics. Integrated physical education is a comprehension concept. It is not only limited to physical activities, games, and sports, but has become a complete discipline within the past 2 decades. The knowledge in this field has increased tremendously. Due to research work, various subdisciplines such as sports psychology, sports biomechanics, sports medicine, sports pedagogy, exercise physiology, sports psychology, sports physiology, and sports management etc. Integrated physical education lays emphasize on multidisciplinary learning in its integration of its subdisciplines. Integrated physical education provides opportunity for students to see new relationships, to transfer what they have learned from our setting to the next, and to reinforce learning in various ways. This knowledge of integrated physical education would be able to help in the fitness, health, and wellness of all individuals. High quality physical education program can be prepared with the help of integrated physical education. This is the concept of integrated physical education. Now we are discuss about some questions. First question is, write a short note on the origin of the Paralympic Games. In the Second World War, majority of people suffered. They lost their willpower and kept remembering the horrors of wars all the time. In 1960 Rome Olympics, Sir Ludwig collected 400 disabled athletes and organized games, and it was named Paralympics. Shooting was the first game to be introduced in Olympic Games. The International Paralympic Committee is responsible for organizing Summer and Winter Olympic Games. The headquarter IPC is situated in Bonn, Germany. The symbol of Paralympics is three colors: red, blue, and green flag, and the motto of Paralympic is Spirit in Motion. And it was introduced in 2014 in while Winter Paralympic was held in Russia. So this is all about Paralympic Games. Now, second question is, describe the principles of integrated and comprehensive physical education. It should be based on the interrelated subtopics of physical education. It should cater to the requirement of different people. It should be capable of facing the challenges of the present and the future. It should be capable of providing comprehensive and deep knowledge about physical education. It should motivate an individual to engage in a lifelong healthy and active lifestyle. It should be able to develop social and emotional skill among people. So these are the principles of integrated and comprehensive physical education. It cater the requirement of different people. It gives us gives us power, strength to facing the challenges present and future. It provide us comprehensive and deep knowledge about physical education, and it also motivate individual for lifelong healthy and active lifestyle, for living what is the importance of healthy and active lifestyle. And it also develop our social and emotional skill. So these all are the principle. Now next question is, write a short note on Special Olympic Bharat. This organization was established in 2001. Its aim is to increase the participation of differently abled persons in games and sports. Its another objectives was to develop leadership quality and healthy lifestyle. This organization organizes sports competition at state level. It also serves talented players and train them for international games. After 2002, about 23,750 participants have participated in national games. Between between 1987 and 2013, a total of 671 Indian athletes participated in Olympics. They won 246 gold medals, 265 silver medals, and 27 bronze medals, and they raised the glory of the country in the world. Today, around 1 million athletes are the member of this organization, and 84,905 coaches trained these athletes. This organization does the all round development of the players through games and sports. So now the area of Special Olympic Bharat has very vast. Now, which method should be used instead of which whistle or gun are not used in which games? Commonwealth, Deaf Olympics, Paralympics, या Special Olympics? So the answer is Deaf Olympics. The name, which method is used for for the athletes of special need in games and sports? So the answer is lighting torch in place of clapper. They are using lighting torch. They are lighting pistol, so that they can see from very far place also. Now the question is, which principles are required to be followed to make the adapted physical education effective? So the principles are medical examination, programs according to the interest of the student, equipment should be appropriate, proper environment, and the rules should be modified according to the need of the individual. Next question is, the headquarter of Paralympic is at, options are Paris, New York, Germany, or Denmark. So the answer is Germany. Next question is, Deaf Olympics started in which year? 1924, 1960, 1947, or 2001? So the answer is 1924. In which year Special Olympic Bharat has started? So the answer is 2001. So this is all about today's topic. Thank you and have a nice